I made $12,505.27 USDT with a crypto trading arbitrage bot, starting from a deposit of $500. Now guys, let me take you guys to the futures PNL analysis over right here, which you can see. Total futures account equity $12,500, and you can see today PNL with the robot made $5,192, and in percent you can see 71.04%, and recent 7 days was 7,301. You can see the percentage 1,462.65%. And let's go to the recent 30 days over right here. You can see the percentage over right here. So the best part is that the trading robot actually send you a notification when all trade has been executed, which you can see everything. So these are all the closed trade over right here. And guys, you want to make the same profit like this, just make sure you join our official Telegram channel, right? So that you can get direct access to the admin over right here. So you can see all these are the daily profit that our users are actually making every day, right? So okay, now let's go back to your account equity so you can see everything for yourself. So this bot is designed for everyone who actually want to make money in the crypto space. Even if you know nothing, or you can actually use it to make consistent profit, and it's actually 99% plug and play system with no stress, which execute trade on your behalf, which you can see everything over right here. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of the video. Please don't forget to turn on the subscribe button.